Ever wonder what it feels like to step into a real-life fairy tale? Every princess should have a castle, and today Tony has found hers. Craigdarroch Castle in Victoria, BC is a stunning Victorian-era mansion, packed with history, elegance, and jaw-dropping views. Join us today as Tony explores this amazing piece of 1800s history. Join us today as we explore Craigdarroch Castle.
Welcome! Today is another day and another vlog. I'm your girl. It's me. It's Tony. Baby.
And where are we?
And today I'm just gonna show you the mansion that we just recently purchased.
Boy, I wish we could own this place.
So this is our living room. No, actually guys, we are here in another tourist spot in Victoria, which is a castle. It's living like a dream. I feel like I'm a princess. So we are here in Craigdarroch Castle. Craigdarroch Castle. See, I can't even pronounce it. Tony's Castle, that's easy.
Yes.
But so we're gonna show you around inside. I mean, I've been to Hatley Castle and we visited Hatley Castle once before, but today we're gonna visit another castle. But the only difference is Hatley Castle we can only visit outside, and here you can go inside.
You can actually visit Hatley Castle inside too.
Really?
Yeah.
Why would we never do that?
Just because we never got around to it.
I don't think you can.
I saw something, they do tours, but they're only at certain points during the year.
Oh, see, but here this is designed for you to have an indoor tour inside the castle, and it's a very beautiful old, look like a very British castle.
Yes, indeed.
So we're gonna show you around. We just have to be quiet and respect the rules. I've seen some owl. There is a owl looking at me so strange.
An owl? Where do you see an owl? Oh yeah, there's an owl.
So there are some rules that we have to follow in doing this tour. They actually do tour with an actual tour guide, but we prefer just touring it by ourselves. So there are rules you gotta follow. You can take a picture, video with flash, but there are certain things that you need to follow. I've been saying that 3 times now, right? So, first thing is there are some chairs that you can't sit, like these chairs.
Yeah. So
If it has something like that, you can't sit there, and also you can't go beyond these railings here because it has an alarm. Show the railings. There. That thing.
ah yes, right.
Yeah. Or else you want to hear the alarm. And the alarm goes, you want to see the alarm? Tell me. Just kidding. You want to see? What's English is that? My English left me, guys. So you want to hear the alarm?
Yeah.
Tell me. So we're going to show you around, guys. Come with us and enjoy this little mini tour. Look how pretty their clothes.
Yeah, right?
This is a snapshot in time. Wow, very old, 1919. Hospital patient. And they really use peacock for if you're rich. They use that as
Use what?
fun. The peacock's tail.
Really?
Oh yeah, they use it as
What's
fun.
the story with that?
They use it as a
That's a fan. Really?
fan.
I didn't know that.
Yeah,
Cool.
because they're not wow, so this is now, guys, the living room.
Wow.
So pretty.
This
right?
is so beautiful.
Even look at this. This is like a silverware from the past. So pretty. Look how pretty it is. Only see this
Imagine having a dinner here.
Yeah, and I'll be sitting in this chair, and you'll be sitting at the far, and then I'm gonna tell you, can you please pass me the loaf of bread? Because that's what we can only afford, guys. That's the only food we can afford if you're living in a house like this.
Mm-hmm.
Just kidding. Look, oh, they have a lechon.
You know what?
Lechon's head.
They do too.
We didn't. Actually, it's more like a boar because of the fang.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like a regular pig. It's like more like a boar.
Yeah, like with an apple in his mouth.
Yeah. You know, the bread is preserved.
Yes.
They just made that. But this is literally the setup, guys. Like, you know, a very like what's that series where they're all fancy dress
Victorian-era?
No. There's a series like that.
A TV series. Oh, like a TV show?
No, on Netflix.
Oh, I don't know.
But this is so nice, guys, because like it's very different from the old places in the Philippines. Like, this is fancy. You know, you're living in a first world country compared to our country. Like, see the Philippines back in the days. Come on. I guess when like the rich people like get tired of walking in the stair, they have a chair in the middle of the like this, so you can
A
see.
veranda.
Yeah, like a veranda. That's how you know you are rich, when you have a veranda in
On
your
the staircase. So true.
So, guys, this is a very ancient part of the most important thing in the castle back in the days, where you know how when there's a fire, what does people do? Back on the days, they just turn on the fire.
I have a feeling that's more of a modern edition as opposed to.
This is my bedroom.
This is your bedroom?
No, this is like a.
No, more. This is more like my.
This is more like a living room. This is the third living room in this place that we've seen so far.
You know, this is more like a games room or something.
Yeah. Oh, we can sit.
Oh, there we go.
See, I can sit because there's nothing.
Yes, no string.
No string attached. But look at the painting, guys. This painting are so real and like they're so nice. And you know how you know rich people, like, what do you call, like, royal people? That's what you call when you are living in a palace. Royalty,
yeah.
Yeah. No, royalties are lazy. You know why? There's so many chairs everywhere.
Yeah, true, right?
I see myself. This is like a washroom.
Oh, yeah.
This is not in use, but it's so creepy, guys. Trust me. Good thing Mark is here, because if it was me, I'll never do this door. It's so creepy. This is like where, you know, how the nun was made, right?
How what?
The nun, you know, where you're just gonna go. Ay, inuwi sina. For real, guys. I'm not even
Well, there's a lot of washrooms here.
Huh?
There's a lot of bathrooms. These showers, or what are they?
Now it's locked, so you don't go washroom.
Maybe it's just a shower.
I'm not even joking, guys. You see it's going for real. I'm feeling creepy here. For real. You see you see, I'm not even.
Goosebumps?
Goosebumps, guys. I'm not even joking. I feel there's something in here that creeps me out.
There's ghosts here.
Yeah, right? Like my heart, guys. This is not more like a palace tour. This is more like a horror, like a real horror tour.
Bathroom through the ages. Only on It's Tony Baby can you get a tour of a 1800s bathroom.
Really? Oh, this painting creeps me out, guys. Look at the child. The child's eyes following me everywhere.
I swear.
Oh, Zoe. What is this? This is where.
Another fireplace.
No, this is where they.
Oh, play music?
Like more like a studio, like
Yeah.
because you know, in the days there's no Facebook or anything, there's no phone or anything. So what they do is they learn how to play music.
And this is how you get to the patio.
So this is the family, guys. This is the family that used to live here in the palace. They're all dead now, but like.
Well, obviously.
But look at them, guys. Wow.
Let's see. He was 1825 to 1889, 1828 to 1908.
And this is where they first built it. Before it became a palace, it's actually a house.
Wait, it's always been a house.
Yeah, it's always been a house, but before it looked like the palace now, right? They rearranged it.
Hey, you recognize that one?
It's
That's-
Craigdarroch.
Nope, that's Hatley.
It's Hatley. Why did it says Craig? Oh, Hatley Park.
Oh, sorry, Craig. No, Hatley Castle. Hatley Park.
Yeah.
The master bedroom.
It's not a master bedroom.
No?
This is just like a regular bedroom. You know,
Regular
it's not a
bedroom?
master bedroom when the bed is so small.
Oh, true. Fair enough. Probably.
For real, guys, creeps me out.
It's not supposed to creep you out.
That's a very old telescope too.
Nirvana?
Huh?
Nirvana?
That means you're old.
Smells like Teen Spirit.
That means you're old. That's how.
I didn't realize Nirvana was that old.
So you know, in the past, like they don't have like to make private for you to change clothes. They just change clothes behind this thing.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how they change clothes.
Mm-hmm.
Let us show that. Oh yeah, Suzuki method of music. So this is room is owned by a Japanese.
What's that?
This room is owned by a Japanese.
How do you know?
Kimono.
Oh.
And this one. This is very Japanese.
Yeah.
You know what's that thing?
What?
What's that thing there?
Probably a commode.
What's a commode?
Toilet.
Exactly. That's a potty potty. What's it called?
Porta potty.
Potty potty.
Yes.
That's a potty potty. Because like, if you've seen the CR is in second floor, you don't want to go second floor just to like go there. Very creepy.
I know, right?
See, every floor has a little, what you call that? Mini table.
A waiting room.
There's more like a veranda.
This one's got a lot more light.
Yeah.
Wow, this is like okay, so how many floors are we on? 1, 2, this is the third floor, right?
Yeah.
There's people. 3, this is the fourth floor. And there's another floor above this. Or is there? No. Well, sort of. Well, this is very open here.
You know what they do here?
What?
This is more like when they do dance.
Maybe, yeah. Yeah, you should dance. Do a little dance. Here, spin around this way.
I'm gonna go to the washroom.
Ooh, it works.
I think you could sit here too.
Yeah, well. Okay, play us a little bit of Nirvana.
I'll play you a song.
Do you actually know how to play?
This is more like a horror. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Just kidding.
That's good. What's that? To play piano? Really?
I really want to learn how to play piano. Maybe you will buy me the little piano where you can like...
What, a little electronic one?
Yeah. It's my dream.
I can teach you how to play piano. I can send you for piano lessons. Well, I was going to see where does this go?
It's just going down. Yeah,
No, it goes to a separate room. Let's go up one more.
one more. Like
Well,
an attic.
I don't know what it is.
Oh, this is the 360 view.
Oh, you know what? This is the...
The L. So that's it, guys. We're done touring inside the Craigdarroch Castle. So you've seen what it's like to be inside the castle, and it's so pretty. It's so beautiful inside, and squeaky. The floor are
Squeaky floors.
I feel like I'm a princess in my own castle just for one day, not even one day, but like
Couple hours.
couple hours for $20. But then, guys, if you have any questions, suggestions, our next vlog, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for following and supporting us. And thank you so much for watching our videos. We love you guys. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for you to be more updated about us. Till our next vlog. See you.
And remember, life is an adventure.